If you've ever wanted to showcase your photos beautifully on your WordPress site, adding an image gallery is one of the easiest and most effective ways to do it. Whether you're a blogger, a photographer, or just want to display your work neatly, this quick tutorial will walk you through everything you need to know, step by step. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard and open the post or page where you want your gallery to appear. Once you're in the editor, click on the black plus icons. That's the Add Block button. You can find it either inside your content area or in the top left corner of your screen. Next, in the search bar that appears, type the word gallery. From the results, click on the gallery block. Now, you'll see options to either upload new images from your computer or select existing ones from your media library. Choose the photos you want to include. You can select multiple at once by holding down the Control or Command key. Once your images are uploaded or selected, you'll see a preview of your gallery right in the editor. You can easily rearrange the images by dragging them around until they're in the order you like. After that, look over to the right-hand sidebar. You can adjust the number of columns, choose how the images are cropped, and even add captions to each photo if you want. This gives your gallery a more polished and personalized look. When everything looks perfect, click Publish or Update, head over to your live poster page. And there it is, your new image gallery, ready for visitors to enjoy. And that's it. You've just added a stunning, responsive image gallery to your WordPress site in just a few clicks. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to keep exploring more ways to enhance your site and make it stand out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.